We're counting down 25 facts that prove this isn't just a machine, it's a masterpiece. Now let's get into it. Number 1, the reverse power paradox. We're starting with one of the wildest facts on the list. The Komatsu D475 puts down a massive 890 horsepower going forward. But here's where things get interesting. When the operator shifts into reverse, the net horsepower jumps to 968. That's over 11% more power backing up. This isn't a typo, it's a stroke of engineering genius. In massive mining jobs, cycle time is everything. Kamasu intentionally engineered the powertrain to deliver more power in reverse, drastically cutting down the time it takes to back up and start the next push. This one feature can translate into thousands of dollars in extra productivity every single day. Number 2, the D475 weighs in at a staggering 115 tons. That's 254,195 pounds. To give you an idea, that's like 60 mid-sized sedans packed into one dense block of pure force. But this isn't just dead weight, it's engineered mass. Every pound is placed strategically to maximize traction and stability, allowing it to work on steep slopes and unstable ground where lesser dozers would get stuck or tip over. Number 3, the blade that moves mountains. On the front of this beast is a blade that can shove up to 44.5 cubic yards of earth in a single, relentless pass. That's enough to fill 15 standard dump trucks. But it gets better. For lighter material, you can bolt on a specialized coal blade that pushes nearly 100 cubic yards at once. It's one operator in one machine doing the work of a small army. This is the kind of power that makes the D475 the king of large-scale dozing. Number 4, the engine that never quits. At the heart of this monster is a power plant disguised as an engine. A 12-cylinder Kamasu SAA 12V140E-7. It has a displacement of 30.48 liters, which is a massive 1,860 cubic inches. For comparison, a high-performance pickup truck might have an engine of around 6 liters. The D475A's is 5 times bigger. This engine isn't just built for power, it's built for survival. It's designed to run 24/7 in the most brutal places on Earth, from scorching desert mines to freezing mountain quarries. Number 5, dimensions that demand their own zip code. The scale of the D475 is hard to wrap your head around. It measures over 37 feet long, more than 12 feet wide without its blade, and stands nearly 15 feet tall. That makes it longer than a school bus and taller than a single-story house. You don't just drive this to the job site. You need special, heavy-haul trucks, permits, and careful planning. The size isn't just a side effect of its power, it's a necessary part of its power. Number 6, the automatic lockup torque converter. This is where brute force gets a brain. The D475 has an automatic lockup torque converter that helps reduce fuel consumption by up to 10%. On a machine this expensive, fuel efficiency is pure profit. The system is smart enough to bypass the torque converter at optimal speeds, sending power directly to the drivetrain. This eliminates energy loss and can save tens of thousands of dollars in fuel costs every year. Number 7, Komatsu claims the D475 is up to 10% more productive than previous models, which were already at beasts. In the high-stakes world of mining, 10% is a huge deal. If an older dozer moves 1,000 tons of material a day, this one moves 1,100. Over a year, that's an extra 36,500 tons of material. At today's rates, that can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars in extra revenue, all thanks to smarter engineering. Number 8, intelligent track slip control. When this dozer is ripping through solid rock with its giant rear ripper, the last thing you want is for the tracks to slip, wasting power and destroying expensive parts. The D475 has an optional automatic track shoe slip control system that senses when a track is about to lose grip. It then automatically adjusts engine speed just enough to maintain traction without losing momentum. This one feature can save a mining operation a fortune in track replacement costs over the machine's life. Number 9. Speed that defies its size. Despite weighing as much as a small building, the D475 is surprisingly quick. It can hit a forward speed of over 7 miles per hour and a reverse speed of nearly 9 miles per hour. For a machine of this scale, that's genuinely fast. It means operators aren't just moving massive amounts of material, they're moving it quickly. Faster speeds means shorter cycles, and shorter cycles means more money. Number 10. A transmission of unbelievable flexibility. The D475 is equipped with a Komatsu's advanced torque flow transmission. It's a 3-speed forward and 3-speed reverse planetary gear system. But that simple description doesn't hide its genius. The transmission works automatically, always selecting the best gear for the job, or it can be shifted manually for total control. It's designed to deliver more smoothly and efficiently, whether you're making a massive push or need to be more careful with precise movements. Number 11. Economy mode that doesn't sacrifice power. Usually, economy mode on heavy equipment means you're giving up a lot of power to save fuel. Not here. The D475 is so advanced that when it's in economy mode, it delivers the same powerful performance as its previous model did in its full power mode. Just think about that. You get top tier power of yesterday's machine while burning way less fuel today. Alright, we're not even halfway through, and the engineering behind this machine is already incredible. If you've enjoyed this, do us a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps us out and shows you want more videos on amazing machines like this. Alright, now let's get back into it. Number 12. The K Bogey undercarriage system. One of the secrets to the D475's legendary toughness is its K Bogey undercarriage system. Instead of the tracks being bolted rigidly to the frame, the rollers are mounted on an oscillating bogie system cushioned by rubber pads. This lets the tracks flex and follow contour to the ground. It is like having a high-end independent suspension on a tank. This design keeps more track on the ground for better traction and absorbs shock that would otherwise punish the frame and the operator. Number 13. Track length that defies sinking. On each side, the D475 has over 13 feet of track touching the ground at all times, with more than 26 feet of total ground contact. It distributes its massive 115-ton weight over a huge area. This creates a flotation effect, letting the dozer work in soft ground, mud, and on other spots where wheeled machines or smaller dozers would sink in seconds. Number 14. Crowned rail links for longer life. The individual track links are an engineering marvel on their own. Kamasu uses heavy-duty crowned rail links designed to resist a wear pattern called scalloping, where uneven wear can cause the tracks to fail early. Track replacement is one of the biggest maintenance builds for any dozer. By making a track system that wears more evenly, Kamasu extends its life, which means less downtime and a lower cost of ownership. Number 15. The genius of replaceable radiator tubes. This is a small detail that makes a huge difference. On most heavy machines, if a single tube in the radiator gets punctured, you have to replace the whole incredibly expensive radiator. This can put a machine down for days or more. The D475's radiator is designed with individually replaceable tubes. A repair that could cost tens of thousands of dollars can now be done in hours for a fraction of the price. It's simple, brilliant, and designed for the real world. Number 16. A frame with double the lifespan. The Kamasu re-engineered the main frame of the D475 to have twice the structural design life of the previous model. This isn't a marketing gimmick. It's a fundamental change in the machine's backbone that allows it to be rebuilt and overhauled multiple times. For a mining company, this is everything. A machine designed to last twice as long is an asset that can generate twice the return on its initial investment. Number 17, a seat fit for a king. An operator can spend a 12-hour shift in this cab. Komatsu knows that comfort is key to safety and productivity. The cab features a premium air suspension seat that's both heated and ventilated. A tired, uncomfortable operator makes mistakes. A comfortable, focused operator is efficient and safe. This seat directly helps the machine perform better by keeping its human pilot in peak condition. Number 18, the impossible quiet of the cab. Outside, the D475 roars with the power of its 12-cylinder engine, producing noise levels of around 110 decibels, similar to a jet engine. But inside the cab, it's a different world. Thanks to the advanced cab dampeners and sound-absorbent lining, the noise level is reduced to just 70 decibels. That's about the same as a normal conversation. This engineering needed to do that is incredible. It protects the operator's hearing and allows for clear radio communication, improving safety for everyone on the site. Number 19, the power ladder. The cab floor is about 15 feet off the ground. Climbing a normal ladder all day is tiring and risky. Komatsu's solution is an optional automatic power ladder. At the press of a button, a sturdy staircase deploys, offering safe and easy access. It reduces the risks of slips and falls, cuts down operator fatigue, and just makes the whole job smoother. Number 20, unprecedented visibility. In a machine this big, blind spots are a huge danger. Komatsu redesigned the cab with large tinted windows for a panoramic view and slimming down the blade's support structure to give the operator a clearer line of sight to the blade's edges. Combined with a rear view camera system, the operator has the awareness they need to work safely and confidently. Number 21, life-saving safety lockouts. The D475 features an operator sensing system. If the machine detects that no one is in the driver's seat while the controls are active, it automatically locks the powertrain and all the hydraulic functions. This is a critical safety feature that prevents accidental movements or runaway machines, protecting everyone on the ground. Fact 22, ground level service station. Keeping a multi-million-dollar machine running means doing regular maintenance. To make it faster and safer, the D475 has a centralized service station at ground level. This lets mechanics check fluids and take oil samples without having to climb all over the hot, dirty machine. Easier maintenance means it gets done on schedule, which means a longer life for the dozer. Number 23, precision with reverse slow mode. While it's built for raw power, this dozer also has a delicate side. The operator can turn on a reverse slow mode for maneuvering in tight spots. This gives them the fine-tuned control needed to navigate around other equipment or obstacles without giving up the machine's immense power when it's needed again. Number 24, the European unicorn. You'd think a machine this good would be everywhere, but its massive scale makes it a rare sight. As of recent reports, only a handful of D475 dozers are operating in all of Europe. The very first one was delivered to Italy in late 2023 to work in a sand quarry. You don't buy a dozer of this size for a small job. You buy it for a massive, long-term mining or quarrying project, which makes owning one a ticket to a very exclusive international club. Fact 25, the largest rental dozer in Asia. The last fact says it all. The Komatsu D475A is offered for rent by the firm Al Marwan Heavy Machinery and is promoted as one of the largest rental dozers in the world. Companies with massive but short-term projects are willing to pay a premium to rent this machine. The demand is so high and its capability is so legendary that a whole market exists just to lease its power. This machine doesn't just move earth, it moves entire economies of scale. So, there you have it. 25 facts that prove the Komatsu D475 is way more than just a monster dozer. It's a machine that's smarter in reverse, advanced enough to prevent its own wear and tear, and so exclusive it's practically a collector's item in some parts of the world. From its mountain-moving blade to its whisper-quiet cab, this is the peak of heavy machinery engineering. Now I have to ask, which fact blew your mind the most? Was it the reverse power paradox? The sheer weight? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by these incredible feats of engineering as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.